guys, welcome back at my channel. Tomorrow it's Christmas Eve. Yes, I'm excited, and today it's the 23rd of December and we're opening this box. So let's start with that. I'm going to push it from the back. Oh, pretty! Let's get it out. And it is Tinkerbell. This actually looks like it's a Tinkerbell sketch. It's pretty, I like it. The fun fact of today, of course, is going to be about Tinkerbell. The name Tinkerbell comes from the fact that she's a fairy who used to fix pots and kettles, just like a tinsmith or a tinker. And that's why she's named Tinkerbell. Pretty, huh? Pretty little lady. Well, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much. I wish you good luck with the rest of your shopping and everything else you have to do just before Christmas starts tomorrow. Christmas Eve, yay! Well, for now, I'm wishing you a terrific day and I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys!